How to download all of your Snapchat memories all at once, whether you are on Android or iPhone. It works absolutely the same on both of the devices, only the method that I will tell you. And keep in mind that this is the updated way. All the other tutorials that are posted on YouTube are either outdated or they simply don't work. So first of all, you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to the search button and search here Snapchat and hit the search button. And when the Snapchat application appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all tap on this update button for updating your Snapchat application. This is the first and mandatory step, otherwise you will see different options from me. After updating Snapchat, you are done with the very first step. The second step is you have to open up your Snapchat application, and this is going to be the final step. And after that, you have to tap on your profile icon available at the top left corner of the screen, and after that tap on the settings gear available at the top right. After that, you have to scroll through this page and keep scrolling until you find this section here named privacy controls. And here under privacy controls section, you get an option my data, which is the second last option in this section. So tap on my data, and when this page gets loaded, you have to select the very first option from this list, which is export your memories, as we only want to download our memories, and tap on request only memories. And if you want to download memories from a specific date range, you can turn this button on, otherwise simply turn this off. Select the email address, confirm your email address, and tap on this submit button. After that, you will see a page saying your Snapchat data is on its way and it's in progress. Then you just have to wait for some time until you receive an email. So here you can see I have received an email from Snapchat. And after you receive this email, you have to open Snapchat application again. And after that, you have to head on to your profile and tap on the settings gear again. Scroll through this page again and go to my data. After that, you will see an option here, one export available. And after that, you have to tap on this see exports button and tap on download. Your browser will be opened, which will give you an option to download your data. After that, you have to press this download button and tap on open in button and open in downloads. After you have downloaded this data into your downloads, you have to open up your files, and here you will start seeing this my data zipped folder. As soon as you tap onto it, this folder will be extracted. You have to tap onto it again, tap on HTML, and here you have to tap on memories history. And after that, you will see all of your memories here in this folder. If you want to download a specific memory, you can simply tap on the download button available next to it. But if you want to download all of your memories, you have to tap on this download all memories button. Now keep in mind that if you are on Android, you will see no problem after tapping on this download all memories button, and all of the memories will be downloaded smoothly. But if you are on iPhone, you may face difficulties downloading this because of the iOS restrictions. So what you have to do is you have to first install this application named Documents in your iPhone before extracting your memories folder. And after that, this memories file will be extracted in this app. After that, you can tap on this download all memories button and it will start downloading into your iPhone. Make sure that you have sufficient storage available in your phone. You can also transfer this file to your computer, download all the memories there, and then transfer these memories to your phone. And that's how you download all Snapchat memories at once. Thank you so much.